I have a little friend out here that's trying to come close. I made my little spot just to sit and watch, but I'm gonna see if I can get him. There he is. Trying to see what I'm doing over here. Since we've been cleaning up the yard, we're trying to see, well, Mrs. Doolittle, do you have any worms out here for me? I love how they come up so close. They're so happy. Me. Just knowing that they know what kind of heart people have. And I say people because not everybody is a people.